am jumping in really quick because, as promised, I am getting ready to do this shout out video, and I love showing my support and love for all of the beauties on here. So with no further ado, let's jump right into it. The first person that I want to let you guys know about, I am so into her channel, especially her hauls, her Miss A hauls. Oh my god, my beauty queen, baby, queen to be 1000. I absolutely love her channel, and she is another one of my divas that got me turned on to this whole Miss A shopping thing. So please go by and support her, show love, check out her channel. All of these ladies that I'm introducing you to or telling you about right now, please go through and check them out and support them. The next shout out is going to go to Asia Web TV. Please go through and check her out. Lovely channel. Next is Renee304. If you haven't checked her out, go check her out. Next is Suzette Abravea. If I am saying your name wrong, I do apologize, sweetie. But her channel is new and upcoming, but she has really great videos. Go through and support her, you guys, and show love. And last but not least, my girl, Diana King, aka Diana K. Another one of my beauties that I checked out that had lovely Miss A haul. So go through and support all of these divas. I'm going to leave their links below for you guys to go and check out. I hope everyone is having a gorgeous, beautiful Friday. Have a safe and blessed weekend. And I have another Miss A haul coming up soon. So stay tuned. Mwah. Love you.
Lose your mind in a trance to enhance the verbal nutrients so intense. We're all in to get with this.